Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my tutorial channel. Today we are going to do section 6.2, the core level from the IFM practice problems. So let's look at problem 1. A non-dividend paying stock currently sells for $100. 1 year from now, the stock sells for $110. The continuously compounded risk-free interest rate is 6%. A trader purchases the stock in the following manner. I, the trader, pays $100 today. 2. The trader takes possession of the stock in 1 year. Determine which of the following describes this arrangement. A. Outright purchase. B. Fully leveraged purchase. C. Prepaid forward contract. D. Forward contract. E. This arrangement is not possible due to arbitrary opportunities. Alright, so before we answer this question, we need to know the differences between among the four options: outright purchase, fully leveraged purchase, prepaid forward contract, and forward contract. For outright purchase, basically we pay today and receive the stock today. However, from the question, the trader paid $100 today, but he doesn't receive the stock immediately. He had to wait another year to get it delivered. That means this manner is not our outright purchase. B. Fully leveraged purchase. Fully leveraged purchase here mean that you can have the stock right now, but you can pay later. That means that you receive the stock at time 0 and pay $100 at time 1. However, it's opposite to the manner of the question. So fully leveraged purchase is not the answer. C. Prepaid forward contract. Prepaid forward contract here means we pay today and we receive later. So this is exactly the manner. We pay $100 today and we receive the stock a year later. By the way, forward contract. Forward contract is a scheduled transaction, which means in this situation, we pay $100 1 year later and we receive the stock 1 year later. So basically it's like a scheduled transaction, and this manner is not forward contract either. So the answer should be prepaid forward contract. E is not correct because C is the correct answer. So prepaid forward contract, answer C. Problem 2. A 1 year forward contract on a stock has an agreed upon purchase price of 75. The stock is expected to pay a dividend of 1.5 at 2 future times, 6 months from now and 1 year from now. The annual effective interest rate is 6%. Calculate the current stock price. So in order to solve this problem, we have to first decide what manner is this situation. This is a forward contract with dividend, and the dividend here is discrete because we have only 2 times we receive the dividends. So this is a forward contract with discrete dividend. So let's write down a formula to calculate the price of a forward contract. We got F0t on the left hand side of the equation represents the forward contract during the periods from 0 to t. T here is the duration, and in this situation t is 1. S0 is the current stock price. I is the effective interest rate, and t is the duration. DIV represents the dividends, and FV means the future value of the dividend. Because For this problem, the 1 year forward contract F0t is a value that is value at time t. S0 is value at time 0. So in order to bring S0 to time t, we have to take S0 times 1 plus I to the t. And the dividend, we have to calculate the future value of its dividend. So this is the formula for forward contract with discrete dividends. Now to plug the number in, we got F0t, the forward contract price here is 75. S0 is not given. I is 0.06, so we got 1 plus I is 1.06. And this is a 1 year contract, so t is 1. Now we have two dividends at time 1/2 and at time 1. The one at time 1 is right at time 1, so we don't have to time 1.06 to anything. But the one at the middle of the year, in order to bring it to time 1, we have to time 1.06 to the 1/2. And this is the two dividends that we have in this manner. So now we have an equation of S0. This is a linear equation. So we solve for S0, and S0 here is 73.63. So the current stock price is $73.63. Problem 3. A stock has a current price of S. The stock pays dividends continuously at a rate of delta. A 1 year forward contract on the stock has a forward price of F and a prepaid forward price of P. The continuously compounded risk-free interest rates are, if 0 less than R less than delta, which of the following is true? So in order to compare these three, we need to first write out the formula for these. Here S represents the current stock price, so S is just S0. F is the forward price, and it should be S0 times E to the R minus delta times T. In this situation, we have continuous dividend, and R is the continuous risk-free interest rate. So we see here R is less than delta from the question. So R minus delta is negative, which means E to the R minus delta times T is less than 1. So S0 times E to the R minus delta times T should less than S0, and S0 is just S. So from here we got F is less than S. Now let's consider P, the prepaid forward contract price. We got P is the present value of the forward contract. So we got P is equal to F times E to the minus RT. And of course this is less than F because E to the minus RT is less than 1. So now we have F is less than S and P is less than F. So we got the order P is less than F less than S. So the answer is E. Problem 4. The current spot price of the rare element PB is 500 per ounce. The 9-month forward price of 1 ounce of PB is 511.92. What is the continuously compounded risk-free interest rate implied by these prices? Here the current spot price is just the current price, which means S0. We got the forward price F0t is equal to S0e to the RT. In this situation, there's no delta because there's no given dividend. And the forward price is 511.92. The current price is 500. R is not given, but the T is 3/4 because it's 9 months, so it's 9/12, which is simplified to be 3/4. From here we solve for R. We got R is 3.14%. So the answer is 3.14%. Problem 5. The spot price for an index is 900. You know that a 3-month forward price on this index is 915. What arbitrary profit can you make knowing that the continuous interest rate is 5%? and the index pays no dividend. So here we got a spot price here is 900, which means S0 is 900. And the 3-month forward price is 915. And we got a continued interest rate is 5%. So first we have to calculate the future value of the spot price. We got the future value of the spot price is 900 e to the 0.05 over 4 because this 3 month, and we got 911.32. So the difference between 915 and 911.32 is the arbitrage profit. So the answer is 3.68. Alright, so that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like this video, share, and subscribe if you find this video helpful for your IFM preparation.